welcome to Creative Art. I am Nilima and in today's tutorial we are going to make a texture art of these two cute teddy bears using tissue papers. Yes, for today's tutorial, tissue paper is the main ingredient. Can you ever expect tissue paper to be used for making an art piece like this? So let's get started, and to know about more different types of textures and art forms, please do subscribe to Creative Art for more creative art tutorial, and do press the bell icon so you don't miss any updates on a new art form. Let's start the tutorial now, friends. For base, I'm using a square 6x6 size canvas, and then using a pencil I have made sketch of two teddy bears. For our first sketch, I have decided to do tissue texture art, and for that we're going to need some lukewarm water and some clean tissue paper. So the best would be to use a good quality tissue paper because this gives you soft pulp of paper. Tear the tissue paper into small pieces, bits and bits of pieces. I'll take some more. You can use tissue paper, paper napkins or toilet paper, but make sure that they are soft, and a good quality tissue paper gives you always a good pulp. Soak it for some time and give it a good mix. And you'll soon find the paper is separated into pulp like this. Now I'll take out the required amount of paper pulp and squeeze out the water from it. After squeezing out the water, this is how it will look. So let's add glue, a lot of glue, and the required color. So first I'm going to color the brown teddy bear. So I'm going to add brown color in it, a little more. With brown I'm also adding just a little bit of pink, light pink, and then give it a very nice mix. After mixing the paste, this is how it looks. So now we are going to start placing this paste on the teddy we need. So here I'm using a tweezer to place the paste. I'll take the required amount and I'll use a ball tool to actually create the texture. Thread it and create the texture. Using tissue texture paste, you can clearly see the volume I have given to the bear's cheek, both the side and forehead. In the same way, we are going to create the center volume. So I'm going to do the body part first before this gets dry. So now you can clearly see how beautiful texture we get using the tissue paper. So for the next side, I'm going to make white color texture paste. Now in the same way, I have made the pink background using pink acrylic color, tissue pulp and some glue. And after drying, this is how it looks. Now friends, after doing the red, the bear for brown and pink for the background, let's make our last texture paste that is of white color. So for that, here is the paper pulp already ready to use. I'll take the required amount, squeeze out all the water. Now adding some glue and white acrylic paint. Now using a palette knife, I'm mixing all the 3 ingredients to make a good tissue paper texture paste. Okay, so now the texture paste is ready and this is how it looks. So let's start putting it on our base. Take the required amount. I'm using my tweezer and a ball tool to place the texture paste and give it a shape. Now in the same way, I'm going to do the rest of the parts. So in the same way, I have completed doing the face part and I have also added some light pink texture paste on the cheeks of the white teddy bear. So now friends, let's start outlining using a black pen. So this will bring up the painting more clear by defining the borders. In the same way, we can also use a paintbrush with black acrylic paint to mark the boundaries. So now I will let the paint get dry completely. And now finally friends, this is how cute our tissue texture art looks. I absolutely love the adorable teddies that we have made, and it also feels so good when you touch the texture. It's so rough and cringy at the same time, but the upliftment our teddies have got because of the texture paste is absolutely amazing, and I absolutely love the beautiful pieces we have created using tissue texture paste. So friends, do give it a try, make it yourself, and do tell me in the comments below what do you think about this tutorial. And if you do like my tutorials friends, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.